How to remove account from Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove account from Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to remove your account from Facebook, all you have to do is, let's say you open the Facebook app, and then whenever you logged into many accounts, your Facebook app saved the details and information for that account which you now want to remove from those apps. Now what you want to do is, first of all, make sure you are on the login page, and if you are signed into any account, make sure you sign out first and make sure you're on the login page. On the login page you'll find all the other accounts where the information is saved. So what you want to do is, you don't want to select the option to log into those accounts, but if you look at the top right of the account, you'll find this little gear icon, which is the settings icon here. So you want to tap this gear icon in this case, and then from here you will see a list of the accounts that are saved. Select a certain account that you'd like to remove, tap on the remove profile option, and then tap the remove option in order to remove those profiles from your Facebook. This way you can remove account on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.